Hello viewers, today I am making gulab jamun. Let's look at the ingredients. Sugar 2 cups, milk powder 9 tablespoons, all-purpose flour or maida 3.5 tablespoons, rava or suji or semolina 1 tablespoon, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, yogurt 1 tablespoon, milk 1/4 cup, rose water a few drops, green cardamoms 4 pieces. Now first I am making the sugar syrup. For this I have taken 2 cups of water in a saucepan and I will add the 2 cups of sugar into this. I will mix them by continuously stirring it until the sugar dissolves in the water. Please note that the quantity of sugar and water should be equal. Now I am adding a few cardamoms into this and then keep on stirring the mixture. Now it's boiling. Next I am adding a few drops of rose water into this. Now you can see the mixture is almost done. The sugar syrup is ready. The syrup should not be too thick. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now in a bowl I am adding milk powder with maida, followed by suji or rava. Now I'll mix them well so that everything blends together. Next I'm adding baking powder and I'm mixing them together. Now I'm adding yogurt. And I will add milk little by little. This way I'll mix them. You can add milk if you require. Now this is the dough-like consistency. I will add some ghee into this. And I will keep on kneading this mixture. Now I will grease my hand with ghee and I will take out small portions out of this mixture to form small balls. Like this. This way I have made the rest of the balls. Please look carefully. There should not be any cracks formed on the outer surface of the balls, otherwise the gulab jamuns will not be of good shape. Now in a frying pan I have heated white oil. In that I am adding gulab jamuns in batches. The oil should be slightly warm, not too hot. We have to fry them in low flame. After adding all the balls in the oil, I will keep on stirring it like this. make sure that it is well fried from all the sides, otherwise the dark brown color will not come. It will take 2-3 minutes to become dark brown in color like this. Now you can see it is well fried from all the sides and the color is nice dark brown. This is how it will look after frying. Now they are done, and now I will add them in the sugar syrup. I will keep them in this sugar syrup for about 2 hours before serving it. Now the gulab jamun is ready to be served. It's a very easy recipe. You can make it anytime you want. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.